Everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone 11 with a cracked screen up here. They ended up putting a tempered glass over it, so it's kind of hard to see. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 13 minutes and 19 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 11, and everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.